Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a domain on Wix in just a few simple steps. Head to the domains page in your Wix account. You'll see the domains management page with all your domain options. Click the Buy a Domain button on the domains page. A domain search interface will appear. In the search field, type the domain name you want along with the extension, for example, mysite.com. Then click Search. Wix will check if it's available and show you the results. If your domain is available, you'll see a Get It button next to the domain name in the search results. Click Get It. If the domain you wanted isn't available, Wix will suggest some alternatives you can choose from instead. After clicking Get It, you'll land on the domain configuration page. Select how long you want to register the domain for. You can choose anywhere from 1 year to 10 years. Once you've picked your registration period, click Continue. Next, you'll see a contact information form. Enter or edit your details here, then click Continue. You'll now see the Privacy and Security Options page. There are 3 choices here. The recommended option is Private Registration and DNS-SEC. This keeps your personal details hidden and adds extra security against cyber attacks. The second option is Private Registration, which keeps your contact details private in WHOIS records. The third is Public Registration, where some generic info replaces your details, but things like your country stay public. Select the option you want, then click Continue. The payment page will now appear. Select your payment method. Wix accepts credit card or PayPal. Once you've chosen, click Submit Purchase to complete the transaction. Your domain will be officially registered, and you'll see a confirmation screen. Here are a few things worth knowing. When you buy a domain through Wix, it automatically connects to Wix name servers, so you don't need to manually update DNS settings. If you're on a premium plan, you might get your first year of domain registration for free. And if you want a business email address that ends with your new domain, like sales@mydomain.com, you can set that up during checkout or add it later. Thanks for watching.